Hello, hi. How are you?
Hello, how are you? Like the nature is like our heart, lungs, and liver.
Saya di saat pergi ke sungai misalnya atau ke hutan, itu perasaan jiwa itu yang tenang.
The nature is the house for us and is the house for many species.
For those communities in the south of Suriname, it is so obvious, and that nature is not just a part of their daily life.
Everything from the forest is useful for human and useful for the local community living surrounding the protected area, surrounding the forest.
So they know that like how to use the resources from the forest, like to be last long and to be sustainable.
It's not only that they live very close to nature, but you can feel it, you can see it in everything.
Namun beberapa tahun terakhir telah terjadi kerusakan hutan.
We are hurting ourselves when we hurt the land, when we hurt the forest, when we hurt the species.
Gold mining is a very lucrative business, but creating possibilities for that alternative income within the villages can be a first step.
Because we learn to work together, to have a natural dialogue on the table, to put together all of the stakeholders who have different interests.
What it really was to understand how they take decisions, why they do what they do.
Sometimes it's really very difficult discussion, but at the end, now we are partners.
Sehingga saat ini mereka menjadi promotor ataupun penggerak ataupun benteng terakhir dalam menjaga lingkungan, menjaga hutan, menjaga sungai tetap asri.
I feel really happy and proud for the community.
Saya sangat mengharapkan di kemudian hari anak cucu kita bisa merasakan indahnya air, jernihnya air sungai, indahnya hutan.
We Malagasy need to take our responsibility to conserve our flora, our natural heritage.
This is my main message for the other leaders. Do something, try hard, but make it simple so people can take it and adopt.
That conservation is everything to do with people.
It's very important that leaders in this world listen very carefully to the people living in the middle of that biodiversity.
We need to take care of the nature in order for nature to take care of us.
I really want you to think that who are you and how your action can help other people and the planet, the world.
Thank you for listening. Bye.
See you. Bye bye.